Think seagulls are just beach-dwelling chip thieves? Think again. These birds are way more interesting than you give them credit for. Did you know gulls can drink both salt water and fresh water? They have special glands above their eyes that filter out the salt, which then drips out of their nostrils. Talk about a built-in water purifier. And they're not just scavengers. Gulls are incredibly smart. They've been seen dropping hard-shelled mollusks onto rocks to crack them open. And some even perform a little rain dance by stamping their feet to trick earthworms into thinking it's raining and coming to the surface. Plus, they have complex social structures and can recognize individual humans, remembering who's a friend and who's a foe, or who has the best fries. So next time you see a gull, give it a little respect. It's probably smarter than you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts.